Hello, my name is Laura MacFarlane. I'm a registered Canadian trademark agent, partner, and practice group leader of Field Law's Intellectual Property and Technology Group. In today's segment of IP Explained, I'm going to tell you the top 10 reasons, in my opinion, you should register your trademark. Number 1, trademark protection provides legal protection for your number one asset, your brand. A trademark represents your brand, which is the main way you can distinguish your goods and services from those of others. So to give yourself a competitive advantage, you should be doing whatever you can to protect your number one asset. And the best way to do that, in my opinion, is through registering your trademark. Number 2, having a registered trademark gives you the exclusive rights to use that mark throughout Canada for 10 years, and then that term can be renewed indefinitely. Exclusive meaning no other third parties will have the ability to use the same or confusingly similar mark in Canada for the duration of your registration. Number 3, registration facilitates the extension of your trademark protection to foreign markets. So for instance, even if you haven't yet entered the US market but have an intention of doing so, your use and registration in Canada can give you a head start and priority to your Canadian filing date. Number 4, a trademark serves as a legitimate asset on your company's balance sheet. Registration will increase the value of a company, assist in securing investors and financing, and can be used as security in financial transactions. Number 5, registration of a trademark also facilitates your ability to commercialize your brand. It attracts licensors, investment opportunities, and financing through the registration, which again is a legitimate asset, even though we're talking about what most people consider intangible rights. Number 6, registration provides public notice of your registered rights. Your registered trademark will show up on the Canadian Trademark Register, so when people are searching for whether or not a brand's available, they'll see you have a registered right, and this is significantly beneficial in deterring third-party infringers. Number 7, if you are faced with infringement from third parties, having a registered trademark gives you access to additional causes of action in court litigation and allows you to file in the federal court, which means any resulting decision applies Canada-wide instead of just provincially. Number 8, having a registered trademark significantly limits the ability of other third parties to try to invalidate or attack your trademark or its registration. In particular, 5 years after registration, there are significantly enhanced rights that make it very difficult for anybody to challenge your ability to use or maintain registration. Number 9, a trademark registration also significantly enhances your ability to keep others from fraudulently obtaining domain names. We often see what we call cyber squatters, who register a number of domain names and then try to extort people for exorbitant amounts of money to then obtain the domain names that they would properly have an interest in. Number 10, last but not least, having a registered trademark gives you the ability of registering a certificate of registration with the US Customs and Canadian Customs to invoke assistance in monitoring for any importation or exportation of counterfeit goods, meaning that you have the assistance at the border for flagging of anybody infringing your trademark. If you're interested in learning more about registering your trademark, I or one of my other registered trademark agent colleagues at Field Law would be very happy to assist. Thanks for tuning in.